Now, how can you see hidden files on your Android 12 or even some other versions? So, a lot of people don't realize it, but whenever you do something with your phone, like install a bunch of different apps and updates and everything, there are so many different, like, hidden files which are not necessary anymore and only take up storage. That's why it's important to get a good cleaner, which is really designed to just get rid of those files. The one which I recommend you to use is one called SDMate, right? So this is what you need to type in to the Google Play Store. And there are actually two versions. So there is this like the first and second one. So I would just recommend you to go with the second one. Install it. Make sure you give it access to your files if it asks for it, because obviously, in order to clean them and find out about it, it needs to have access to everything. So go ahead and do that. And then inside of the app, you have so many different features and like cleaning options available. Like there is the app cleaner and like deduplicator, which searches for duplicate files and just perform all of the scans which are available to see what your device is at. You might, for example, find out that you don't have that many hidden files, but more often than not, you're going to be surprised of how many things you can get rid of, and still everything's going to be fine because those files were just hidden and unnecessary. So, as I said, perform all of these scans. It's also a good idea to just perform them regularly, of course, because these kind of things tends to add up all the time. So go ahead and do that as often as you can. But yeah, that's it. That's my tip. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.